not me, it's you. I need a break from you, Facebook. I want to disable you. Here we go. Sometimes you need a break from social media, and maybe Facebook is getting in your way, maybe it's a bit toxic, maybe you want to break and remove that constant news feed. Why don't we go disable your Facebook account now? Now, to disable your Facebook account on mobile, you simply go to the Facebook app. It will load you in your news feed. Click on your little icon, which is next to the phrase "What's on your mind," and it will take you to your profile page. You know, everything that you're currently used to watching and seeing. Click the little cog and click on View Privacy Shortcuts. This is basically where they hide all of the good, useful links, let's be honest. And you scroll down to the page where it says Your Facebook Information and the option to delete your account and information. Don't worry, don't panic, it won't delete it immediately. You'll now have a choice between deactivating your account or deleting your account. If you click Deactivate your account and continue to account deactivation, it will now ask you to enter your password and the process will start. For more Facebook tricks and tips, there's a playlist up here. Go out there, start creating.